We're here at Micro Center Columbus on a cold and rainy day, but that's doing nothing to dampen the spirits of those hoping to get their hands on a brand new AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT. Throughout the morning, we've been outside talking to people waiting in line for the brand new AMD graphics card. Judging by the hype outside, it's clearly a highly anticipated card and people are incredibly excited to get their hands on it.
Been out here for almost 4 hours.
Yeah, since 5 a.m.
Yeah, now that we're closer to the door, the adrenaline has risen.
Yes, very excited. Been pretty bored for the past few hours, but checking our watches about every 15 minutes.
What was your first build? Like, what was your first graphics card? What'd you put in there?
Oh, dude, this is the first build.
Oh, no kidding?
I'm switching from console.
All right,
Yeah.
That's what I like to hear.
Yes, sir.
I build a lot of, different end equipment, server management, stuff like that. I like to benchmark things, play with tech and stuff like that, custom builds. I mean, the list goes on, I think I got here around 6 o'clock. Cold, freezing, wet. We're here. Looks like we're getting a card today. I'm pretty happy.
We've met some good friends along the way, for sure.
Even though it's been raining all morning here at Micro Center Columbus, it hasn't dampened the spirits of AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT fans. It's an exciting day here and across the Micro Center stores. If you're looking for more information about the AMD RX 6700 XT, check out microcenter.com.